Infra and welcome to this latest YouTube video where we will see how we can list the database content and share some exciting insight about it. So let's see lab SQL injection attack listing the database contents on Oracle database. So as usual there is also union attack vulnerability in category parameter. So first of all we have to access this lab, and as usual as our previous videos there are many categories. So first of all we are going to access any of the category. I'm going to access here the gifts category and you can see in the URL category equal to gift, and now enter here the single quote and this internal server error as usual. So that means there is SQL injection vulnerability, and I know very well because in the lab description there is a union attack vulnerability. So I'm going to enter here some union attack union keyword payload here. So first we are going to extract the information of number of columns. So this null and from, because this is Oracle database, that's why there is one default table here. So I'm going to enter that default table, that is dual and the commenting of the rest of the query. So just internal server error, that means I'm going to enter the another null for means there are two number of columns, and let me extract the information of data type of the column. So let me enter one random string and just enter here. There is a string data type working in the first column. Let me enter some string in the second column as well. And enter. In the second column there is also string data type. After that we have to enter some information like table name. Okay, table name, and from where we are going to extract this, from all tables. This is the case for guys Oracle databases, not for non-Oracle databases. We already seen in the previous video how we extract this kind of table or column information for non-Oracle databases. This is particularly we are doing in this video for Oracle databases. So I'm going to enter here. Okay, internal server error, that means I have entered, actually I have entered only the table name, and I erase the second column, that's why it is giving error. So guys, see here, later I enter here the second column as well. Okay, so let's see the table names here, app, role, membership, and you can see, and let me scroll down more. There should be something interesting, column name, table name. Actually we are like searching for some user kind of table, okay, so that we can extract the information of users. Okay, this is the table we have find out here. Now I'm going to change some values here in the query. So now we got the table name. So the next task is extracting the information of column name. So I'm changing here table name to column name. Column name. Yeah, column name and the null from all columns, all table columns, all columns. Now tables, sorry, table name, and enter that column name which we already got, and just enter here. Yeah, so let me see if we are getting some interesting information. Yeah, there is a username column, this username and something, the value after that, and this password column. Okay, we got two columns. Let me just paste, copy and paste the values of these columns here so that we can use it for further query. Yeah, let me change something interesting now. uh, in the column name, sorry, here I'm going to enter the column name. This is my first, and this password column also, and from um, we just have to remove all the this kind of stuff from this, for from all users, and I'm going to remove this single quote as well and just enter. Yeah, this is the query. You can also see from here if you are not getting anything. So let me see. Yeah, there is a usernames and password here, administrator, and the password value Carlos, and the password winner, and the password. I'm going to copy this administrator password and just login as administrator, administrator, and the password login. Now guys, congratulations, you solved this lab, and that's all about guys for this video, listing the database contents on Oracle databases. So thank you guys.